This video will teach you how to find logs in the calculator and the change of base formula. The calculator only accepts logs with a base of 10 and natural logs. For example, we need to find a log of 7 and the natural log of 2. Using the calculator, we have our log buttons on the left by the 7 key and the number 4 key. The first button is for a log with the base of 10, and the second key is for a natural log. So, working the first problem, we have the log of 7. We type that in, press enter, and this is a decimal for the log of 7. It's 0.845. Now we can find the natural log of 2 using the other button. Hit the LN key, type in 2, press enter, and the natural log of 2 is 0.693. The change of base formula can be used to enter logs in the calculator. The change of base formula is log base b of m equals log base a of m divided by log base a of b, where a is any base. We'll want to use base a being 10 or base a being e for a natural log. Now notice that the number m goes in the numerator and the base b goes in the denominator, and our bases must be the same in the numerator and denominator. Some examples. Find log base 3 of 12. All right, now using the change of base, we'll write log with the base of 10 of 12 divided by log with the same base of 10 of 3. Now we can enter this in our calculator to get the decimal. So we have the log of 12, close of parentheses, divided by the log of the number 3. So the answer is 2.262. Now remember the definition of this logarithm. It means 3 to what power equals 12. Well, we know that 3 squared is 9, and 3 cubed is 27. Now we're looking for the number 12. 12 lies between 9 and 27, so the answer must be between the powers of 2 and 3. And our answer again was 2.262. So this means that 3 to the power 2.262 equals 12. All right, let's look at another example. Find log base 8 of 31 using the change of base formula. Now this equals a log of 31 divided by the log of 8. Again, I'm using base 10. Now the meaning for this log is 8 to what power equals 31. It's going to be a decimal. So we'll type this in our calculator, log of 31 divided by log of 8. we get 1.651. So this means that 8 to the power 1.651 equals 31. Now it won't equal exactly 31 because we did round our answer. Now I mentioned before that we could use the natural logarithm instead of a log base 10. So if we calculate the ln of 31 divided by the ln of 8, we will get the same answer. Let me show you that in the calculator. So use the ln key instead. Ln 31 divided by ln of 8 equals the same thing as we got earlier, 1.651. In the last problem, we want to graph the log base 2 of x plus 1. But since the calculator only accepts base 10, we need to change this logarithm using the change of base formula. So by the change of base, it is the log of x plus 1 divided by the log of 2. We'll type this in our calculator to get the graph. Press the y equals key. Clear out any previous functions. We'll type it in. So we have the log of x plus 1, close a parentheses, divided by the log of 2, and close a parentheses. Zoom number 6. Here's a look at the graph. The graph starts here and heads over to the right. So sometimes you'll need to use the change of base formula to either find a logarithm or to graph a logarithm if the base is not 10.